Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to animate still photos in DaVinci Resolve using the keyframes for smooth effects. Let's get started. First, drag the white handle at the edge of your image clip to set the duration. For this tutorial, we'll set it to 7 seconds. Then, create a basic pan animation. Move the playhead to the beginning of the clip. Under Transform, click the keyframe button next to the position. Move the playhead to the end of the clip and adjust the image position. Now you have a smooth pan effect. Then, next, to add an advanced animation, set the duration to 7 seconds again. Move the playhead to the start, the keyframe zoom, and rotation angle. Then move the playhead to the end. Then increase the zoom to 1.25 or rotation angle to any what you want. This creates a dynamic spiral zoom effect. This is the result of the advanced animation. And that's it. You now bring life to still photos in DaVinci Resolve with these simple animation techniques. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.